Hey, welcome to the iPad Apps First Look channel, and today we're talking about a little security software app that's interesting. If you type in the App Store data free, you'll see this icon. Sorry, it's in French here, verrouillage d'écran, but it's from Tap Nations. It's a utility that's quite interesting. Once you've installed it, you'll have that little panel here with your code, and it's a visual code, so you try to do the same code all the time. And what's quite interesting is that it protects your information. So basically what you could do, Data Guard or the data software lets you take notes. For example, you can put some notes in your device, and what's cool is that it's now secured, and here you click done. And what happens is that if you want to access those notes, and you might have noticed that there are notes here, but that is not the same notes. It does take the same type of app for notes, but it has its own notes inside. So it's kind of a way to take secret notes that nobody can see without that access code, and put them inside the app. So you have these notes, or even contacts. You can add secret contacts inside the app. All sorts of media also, which lets you put pictures, photos, and videos that you can take from your own device, but put them in a very, very secure way. So, we all have data that if we lose our phone, or if we lend our phone to someone, and we take the PIN code or enter the access code, one thing you want is actually maybe to have some of the data secured in an environment where nobody can see it. And this is what this software actually does. And you have the different types of pattern, combination lock, security code, fingerprint, whatever types of codes you might want to take. So this is pretty cool. What's nice, if you have a break-in attempt, it's going to take a photo of the person that tries to break the code. That's also quite interesting. Now this is the free version, and here I just made the wrong code. So if I take a look at my phone, I'll probably have a picture of myself in the photo section. I don't know if it's in the photo section or in the app itself, probably. I can see here, so let's go back. Let's enter the good code. Thanks. Let's look at the different media here. Photos. I think it's sent it by email or something like that, which is pretty interesting. When I try to access, because I don't see the picture, but it did take a picture of myself doing the wrong code. So that's pretty cool. View attempts 1, here it is. In the view attempts, it gives you the code, the location, the exact location, the date, the time, and of course it took a picture. So if I would be in a lighted environment, I'd see who tried to access my data. So it's pretty nice. Of course, there's a paid version that gives you unlimited storage of all that data and information. So if you go into the App Store, protection des données in French, but it's Data Guard in English, 99 cents, and great way to secure some information in your phone. Now, what's cool is that they will actually send you an email with the pattern that you've used to lock the software. And that is important because if you forget what pattern you did, they really tell you there's no way to access the data and it's going to be lost. So you have to really take the time to make sure you never forget that visual password or PIN number that you've put here. So it's a cool way to protect your data, your pictures, and all sorts of information, your contacts. It's a great way to have maybe a secret environment in your iOS device. So like that you can lend your iOS device to anyone and you know that the real important data is secured in an app that nobody can really access. And if somebody tries, well, you'll know with the app itself. So it's pretty cool. DataGuard, free version. This is the free version, so you have a minimum of things that you can do. If you want to have more information, then there's the 99 cents version available. So available from Tap Nation. Really, really cool. A must have if you have some really private information that you want to keep. If you enjoy our reviews and look at different apps, please subscribe to our channel and you will be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have an app that you'd like us to talk about. That is also something that we can put online. If it's a paid app, keep in mind we have a limited budget, so we try to select the apps every week depending on how much money we have available. And of course it's always fun to see an app before you purchase, so that's one of the cool things here about this channel. So hope that you enjoy our videos and that you'll come back to the iPad as First Look channel. Bye bye.